pickles!
Oh.
Here, mommy.
Why is my fork just like thrown at me? You're looping up my arms. It's so red and it hurts.
Frisky text! We're having crazy.
Is that what you're talking
That
about?
was legit.
She's like,
We're
you're gonna have a frisky night when you go home, and then my girlfriend just says we're having crazy sex tonight.
Oh, man.
Look at her go. Oh, heartbroken are we?
Like, that's depressing.
You're so broken by it.
What?
She peeled the thing off her fucking beer and it broke.
Just have one more chance.
Oh no, I have no service right here.
Opera shit.
Opera shit.
Opera shit.
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 Is that my water? It's just kind of sitting there. Is it now? Pickles!
We're gonna make all the. Chug, 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 chugga, 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 chew.
Why did I think that you were sitting next to me when I was like dipping into the pickle jar?
Cause you seem to be eating and wearing everything green today.
Even like just the regular things.
So neat.
That was not good either.
Look at her. Fucking go.
Yeah, it must be like really cold and then let it like sweat before you peel it off.
Purple, red, blue, black, green.
She's wearing my sweater. Right there.
We're all different colors.
I saw that. My t-shirt's still better than your sweater.
You're so cute. Look at her mow down on the pickles.
I'm hungry. They're only baby dough. Come on, man.
Look, I'm recording him cooking.
I didn't realize how bony his ass was till like today.
I don't even
I don't
remember.
trust you.
I don't do the cooking. I honestly had
Man.
that.
Nah.
Barbecue chicken steak.
Actually, I haven't cooked since January.
Cute.
Last night I made fucking steak and chicken on the barbecue with like vegetable kebabs. And it's
She just spit beer into her plate.
And you know the funny thing? I got it on video.
There's napkins at the table.
Opera shit. Woo, woo.
I'm gonna take that phone in a few minutes and shove it so far up your ass that you would
Too
see
bad
my
it's at
name.
10%.
Put it in sideways.
oh fuck.
You're not helping.
Even vertical's gonna hurt.
Yeah, you fucking keep laughing, man.